I've got my Steeda jacking rails from my S197 Mustang, and brand new. They just came in. So let's open this box up and let's see what's in it. Looks like we've got a couple of very thin rails, so it's pretty lightweight. To be honest, I was expecting something very heavy. A little bit concerned about adding a bunch of weight, but this isn't going to add much weight at all. Let's get the measuring stick and just see how thick these things are. Okay, as you can see, 2 by 1 inch tubing. Let's check and see what these things weigh. Okay, 7.4 pounds. Yeah, the shop scale doesn't lie. 7.4 pounds on these Steeda rails. That's 14 pounds is 14, almost 15 pounds. That's not a lot to add to your car, and this is going to give me the ability to jack this up on the edges without trying to figure out a way to get a low profile floor jack underneath that low thing, because it's low. As you can see here, it's that bottom rocker is right to the top of my knuckles. That's not very high. Now you want to put these bolts in, but not tight, so you can adjust the back end of this. Okay, the front bolts, the factory bolts, are 18 millimeter, and these ones that come with the Steeda rail are 15 millimeter heads. So you need a 15 millimeter socket to get these in. Now you notice that this can still move, so I don't have those front ones tightened down yet. I'll get these ones started, tighten them down. All right, those are tight. Now I can tighten up the front ones. as you can see, this gets me much closer than this subframe here. This puts me right on the edge, and it's so low profile that from standing up you'll never see it. I only have to put my floor jack in a short distance, maybe 6 inches, and then I can jack it up, and this will definitely do 6 inches. And that is how that works. Pretty slick. Now I'm just going to go to the other side, do it just the same way, and Bob's your uncle. All right. Thanks for watching.